A few weeks back, I was scrolling on Amazon looking at some random tech to buy, and this Amazon 7-inch Kindle tablet popped up on my feed. It was released in 2019 and was on sale from its usual $49 price to $39. If you've never owned one of these before, you're probably thinking a few questions on whether it's worth your time, if it's worth your money, and if there's even a point to a $39 Amazon tablet. Those questions alone are enough reason, at least for me, to purchase one of these, try them out, and like I said, see if there's even a point. So here I am doing an unboxing video and sharing some of the first thoughts by a first-time Amazon Fire tablet owner. I wanted to note that this is the ad-supported version, which doesn't particularly matter for an unboxing video, but for my future review, it's definitely going to be a big talking point. So if that's something that interests you, stick around, subscribe, and I'll probably have some good thoughts on what it's like having a tablet or owning a smart device that's constantly giving you ads every time you unlock your screen. The unboxing experience is super simple. When I first saw the packaging, I kind of laughed and thought about what a genius idea would be to pair these tablets with Happy Meals or something as a marketing stunt. Regardless, it's a $39 tablet and the packaging is just enough it needs to get to your doorstep safely. Inside, you get the tablet itself, charging cable, and some promotional info. I took the tablet out of the wrap, fired it up, entered my language, and was automatically logged into my Amazon account I purchased the device on. I don't know how it happened, but the only thing I can think of is my Amazon Echo is connected to the same Wi-Fi that I connected this tablet to. I'm sure you can just log out of your Amazon account after the setup process is done, but be conscious of this if you're buying this for a gift for someone in your household. After that, I was greeted by an intro video, which I could not skip, by the way. It was kind of weird and made me feel like I was watching a mandatory training video for like a job, and it kind of freaked me out. After the video, I was offered a few promos regarding some book services and brought to the screen where I could immediately download apps. Noticeably missing is the YouTube app, which you're most likely watching this on, so I'm sure this is somewhat of a big deal, but we're going to circle back to that later and what the workaround is for that. But that's pretty much it regarding setting up the software. It's surprisingly a very simple process. My immediate thought regarding the physical quality of the screen was that this has to be a plastic screen. It's just so poor and bad feeling. I was almost 100% certain it was made out of plastic, and as I was writing the script for this, I mentioned that. I was like, oh, it's made out of plastic, blah, blah, blah. But I did some research. It's actually made out of glass, just like a really low quality glass. The screen picks up oil and sweat right off your fingertips and just smears it around. It's pretty gross, actually, but it's important to note if you're giving this to a child. Just wanted to give you the heads up, and I'm sure for $39, you're not looking for the highest quality feeling screen. So just consider a glass screen protector. The rest of the device is made out of plastic, which to my surprise feels really good. It's a matte finish with no breaks in the body anywhere. There's a little bit of flex where I assume the battery is, but overall, nothing concerning besides that screen quality. This is a very well-built tablet to my surprise. On the top is where you have everything: your power buttons, headphone jack, microphone, micro USB charging, and on the left side, you have the speaker. I know this is low-hanging fruit here, but I'm still gonna say it because it just should be said. Amazon really should have found a way to make this tablet USB Type-C instead of micro USB. Again, $39. Not a big deal, but still, I can dream. But this is just an unboxing video and some first thoughts, so I'm going to save any in-depth details for a complete review that I plan on doing in the future. Overall, for $39, it's a pretty intriguing purchase, I'll say. Maybe not if you like performance or a ton of features, but it seems like it's a pretty basic tablet, good for kids or somebody with low expectations of what they would want out of a tablet. I'm going to give more details in my full review, of course, so if that sounds good to you, you should probably subscribe, stick around, wait for that video to come out. I have a few other videos planned, but this is definitely on the top of my list, so expect it coming out probably within the next few videos after this one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm getting out of here. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.